Hello guys, welcome back. In today's crypto technical analysis, today as usual we'll do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC and Ethereum. However, before we start, I've got a small request. If you guys are learning and enjoying from the contents, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Starting from a weekly time frame, the levels for the weekly time frame getting tighter and tighter. As you can see, we're just consolidating in the last few weeks, and the important level based on a weekly time frame, as you can see, we had a weekly close last night, and 25,200 is going to be the first support level based on a weekly time frame. However, main and important level for the bullish scenario based on an MTF resistance is going to be $27,700 are going to be extremely important, and then the second level is going to be followed by $31,500. So immediate support and resistance in the first place, 27.7, $25,200 based on a weekly time frame. If we're going to lose this level, then the next level, we've got 24,000 and below. However, if we're going to recap, beginning of the January, I covered this scenario. If we're going to hold 18,000 and 18,500, highly likely the target number one is going to be 30,000, followed by 32, all the way up to $36,000. So we saw massive from 18,000 average, over 70% pump, with a current price action nearly 50% pump in the market. So that was for spot back holders. However, bear market exit, first exit 60.52, and the last exit was $48,000, and we saw over 75% dump overall in the market. And as soon as we started exiting from $60,000, we started accumulating at around $18,000 plus. Moving on to a daily time frame. Based on a daily time frame, as soon as we lost $27,500, $28,000, daily time frame went back under the consolidation, and we're consolidating for some time. So immediate resistance is going to be the similar level, 27,200, 27,700. That's a weekly resistance. Without claiming these resistance, it's going to be early for us to talk about the trend change based on a higher time frame. However, as you remember, that I've been talking about $25,000 and $25,200 is extremely important level based on a daily time frame. And at the same time, we've got a confidence that you're going to take it right from the 15th of March on a daily time frame all the way up to this level without claiming, as I said, $28,000, $27,700. That's going to be where you have a point of control. At the same time, it's going to be early for us to talk about the bullish scenario. So based on a medium time frame, that was a rejection level. And as you can see, we saw a massive decline in the market. That was over as expected. We came first target level met with a $25,200 and $25,000. That gave massive dump, which is over 12% dump in that market. And if you're doing a leverage, you did the maths for yourself. Based on a daily time frame, as I said, we can see clear picture above 18,000 and 18,500. However, confirmation came at around $19,200 and $500, and then we saw a massive pump in the market, V-shaped recovery, and we saw $31,000 pump. So for the spot back holders above $19,200 and $500, we saw nearly 60% pump, and then with a current price action, nearly 40% pump in the market. If you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8. And one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where you're going to learn how to become profitable and professional trader in the market. And it only takes you 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Moving on with the ETH analysis. At the moment, Ethereum got stuck. This resistance is extremely heavy. As you can see, we've got value area low plus MTF resistance, which is a lower time frame, mid time frame, as well as the higher time frame resistance. Without claiming this level, it's going to be early for us to talk about the higher time frame Fibonacci level, which is a 0.618, and that Fibonacci level also confluence with, as you can see, 0.618 confluence with a point of control line. So this is an important level that you need to take into account. Without breaking 1850, it's going to be early for us to talk about the trend change based on a mid and a higher time frames. However, rejection that we're going to do a lower time frame analysis, this level, the first target level is going to be 1665, and then the next level is going to be 1550. The next stop is going to be $1,440, $1,400 are going to be the next target levels, because the market looks slightly weak. As I said, this is an important level that's going to dictate whether we're going to have a bullish market structure or not. 4-hour time frame. So based on a 4-hour, as I said, this is extremely important in order to change the mid time frame, the market structure, and without breaking 1775, 1800, it's going to be early for us to talk about the bullish scenario. So as you can see, with this is a multiple time frame resistance, The second and most important is going to be 1850, where 0.618 confluence with a point of control. However, losing this level, 1665, which we reached already to our target level, as I said. So at around 1890, 1850, that was an exit level based on a mid-time frame Fibonacci level. You can refer to the previous videos, and we saw all the way up to 1600 and 1650. We saw a massive dump in the market, 13% plus dump in the market. And if you're doing a leverage, you do the maths for yourself with a 5 and 10 times. For now, 1650, 1660 is going to be extremely important. Losing this level, we've got lower levels, which I mentioned earlier on. We're at the no man's land. At the same time, you can see how the confluence with the upper line of this resistance, confluence with the smart money line, which is a white line, we've got a bit lower at the moment, and then higher time frame, 0.618, claim 0.618, which we're going to break the green line as well, and then we will have a bullish structure based on a medium as well as the higher time frame. So at this stage, as you can see, we've got rejection nearly from the white line, and then the red line. At the moment, the price action is a bit struggling at around red line. Moving on with the scalping analysis, which I shared recently. As I said, as long as the current local low holds, and I'm expecting this type of price action. So based on this is a 30-minute chart, and if you're going to look based on a 5-minute, 15-minute, and 10-minute charts that we claimed M plus V support, and we cleared the resistance level that I was talking about, that we're going to clear, sweep this low, and then we took this liquidity at the same time. So these are support resistance levels based on a momentum and volatility. For someone who is interested via Twitter, when you claim this level and to reach to the target level is going to be quite fast because it's a momentum plus volatility. And as you can see, we cleared within a couple of candles, we cleared the target level, and that provided us 3.2 arch rate. So if you're interested in this type of scalping setups, you can follow me via Twitter at @the_magnate. If you're interested in this type of scalping setups, you can reach out to me via Telegram at magnate8. So this is a initial exit based on a 4-hour time frame as well as the higher time frame, 0.618 got rejection, and as I said, the next rejection was at around $28,400, over 15% dump in the market. On the last video, as I said, we were around here, and we're going to clear both of these lows, and then we will reach to the target number 1. That was $25,200-ish. That was the first exit, and then the second exit, average over 10% dump in the market. Without claiming $27,000, it's going to be early for us to talk about a slight change, market structure change on the market. However, as I said, higher time frame change is going to happen once we break $28,300 and $400, where we had, as you can see, daily point of control at the same time, that confluence with a 0.618, the golden pocket. So without claiming these levels, it's going to be early for us to talk about the bullish scenario. However, losing this time $25,600 and $500, the next level is going to be $24,200 and $24,000 are going to be the next level. So these are the important levels if you want to play level to level. First level to $27,000 all the way up to $28,400. Otherwise, losing the current low, which is going to be $25,700-ish, that will lead us all the way up to $24,200, $24,000 are going to be the next target levels. And for those who are following me, you can see clear picture that we got rejection from the smart money line and smart money line system. As I said, 26,800 and 27,000. That's going to give us the next level that will be around $28,000 plus. So there are a lot of confluence at around $28,500 and $28,000. Without claiming these levels, rejection from these levels, that's going to lead target number 1, followed by target 2 is going to be $24,000 is going to be target number 2. So the levels are clear, and we came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.